Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Howdy, y'all.
And today, guys, as you can see here on top of my counter, you can come around, Michael, so everybody can see all the ingredients from this side. Or I can just put them like this, and everybody can see what everything is. See? Oregano, tomato sauce, tomato paste, cilantro, green peppers, green onions, garlic, vinegar, olive oil, a jalapeno pepper, and a sweet onion. And the chicken that I already set up and cleaned. So instead of making beef flan steak like you have seen me make before, I'm gonna make chicken flan steak, but I'm gonna make it in the crock pot. Now the first thing that I need, that's why I needed it, Michael. So I gotta put a quarter cup of water. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put half a cup of water in here. And then I'm gonna lay out the chicken breast that I already cleaned, took all the fat out and all that cartilage that you see inside. Sometimes you go to a restaurant and they serve you that chicken with that cartilages. All those are like chicken tenders and they have cartilage inside. It grosses me out. I don't know if it grosses you guys out, but it does to us here in this house, in this family. So I'm just gonna lay it like that evenly, all the pieces. So it stays flat like that. Then, after I do that, I am going to pour a can of just tomato sauce. Then I have a little bit of tomato paste in this can, as you can see it. Okay, so I have a little bit of tomato paste left in here. As you can see, that's the last tomato paste. So I'm gonna take the last that I have of it. It will dissolve and disintegrate as soon as it starts getting hot. So we're just gonna put it in there like that. Come on, get off my finger. Get in there. Get in there. There you go. I got in there. Okay. So now I'm gonna put that's half a big onion of sweet onion. This is one one serrano pepper for to make it, you know what I'm saying, a little bit spicy, because you want that little spice. This is 2 cloves of garlic that I chopped very finely. And you put that garlic in there. So that's what you do, guys. You put like everything all together. Now this is some green onions. I'm gonna throw them in there, okay, to give it a little flavor, different kind of flavor. This is a green sweet pepper. Okay, it was only half I had left, so I chopped it in a little square, little blocks. And then we're gonna throw our cilantro in there, okay? And then I'm gonna take my olive oil, okay? This is extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, because chicken has to cook in its chicken breast. Then we're gonna put some vinegar. I just like, I eye it with my eye. And then even if I put onion, I'm gonna put a little bit of powder. This is not the onion powder that came in here. I buy it by the ounce at the supermarket. The real onion. So if you smell it, it's not the badilla kind. It's actually better. The garlic that I have in here, this is not this garlic. I buy it by the ounce at the supermarket and I just pour it in here, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit like that. Then we're also gonna put some cumin. You gotta put cumin in there, give it flavor. That's good. And but not least, oregano leaves. Okay, the oregano has like an earthy flavor, you know. And now, what I'm going to do is, I am going to cover it. And then if you come around, Michael, how do you do this? Okay, I'm gonna put it in, not low, in high. Let me see, 1 hour. What should we do 2 hours?
2 hours.
Because it's chicken, okay? And then where do you start it?
It starts automatically.
It starts automatically. Okay, so it starts automatically, and then I'm gonna leave it like that. And then when we come back, that should be done. But before it's done, when it's like, it's only 1 hour, I'm gonna come and move it when it has an hour left. Okay, we're gonna move it together so you guys can see how it's going. So with that, I'm gonna let everybody go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Press the notification button and let us know what you think from the beginning of this, what you think so far. Don't go away because this is gonna be something delicious. I'm gonna make some white rice. I'm gonna have Michael make some white rice, and I'm gonna make some red beans on the side. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and we'll be right back in an hour. Okay, we haven't been an hour yet, guys, just 20 minutes, but I forgot to like, move it around exactly like this. So everything is, chicken, everything together. See you later. Guys, so welcome back again. So 1 hour has passed. There we go. I see that. Wow. I think it needs, but you see how the pieces are cooking, guys? Look at that. Look at all them onions and green onions and not jalapeno, serrano pepper, like the cod, I mean, look at all them spices and cilantro with the green pepper and everything that I have in there. Let me just go like this. It's a little bit on the salt, so that's why you gotta, like, you know what I'm saying, pack it in there. So I'm gonna pack some salt in there. Needs it. Look at my hands, guys. This is what I do. See, and I washed my hands before I came and did this, okay? You can ask Mr. Michael. Michael?
That's right.
Tell people.
She washed her hands.
So anyways, guys, before I forget, you know how I said this is like beef flank steak, but it's beef flank, chicken flank steak? No. This is chicken flank pollo. You know what pollo is, right? It means chicken. So this is chicken flank pollo. So I'm gonna move it. And then I have to taste it again with another finger. I'll use another finger this time. So you guys don't think that I'm double dipping. Isn't that double dipping? It needs something. I think it's a little bit of vinegar, Michael, that it needs.
You added vinegar.
To bring the flavors out, I did put, but not enough. You know what I'm saying? And then we'll let it, do its thing. So you just like season it up a little bit more if you guys want. I'm just gonna go with a spoon like this so that it can stick. You know what I'm saying, guys? I don't want it to stick. I want that flavor in there. Okay, so I'm out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, so thank you for coming back and continuing with this delicious recipe that is chicken flank pollo. So it's done. We have 3 minutes left, but that's it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to uncover it. Look at that sauce. That sauce is gonna go on top of the rice when you serve the chicken. I'm covering it. I'm gonna leave it uncovered. I'm gonna let it cool off, and when it cools off, I'm gonna shred all the chicken, and then we're done. So you guys go ahead while we wait for this a good half hour to, do its thing and cool off. You guys can go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Don't go away. So I took all the chicken out and put it on a plate, okay? And I'm shredding it by hand. You can take forks and shred it with forks, but I like it with my hands because, you see, I like to have those long strings. So as soon as this is done, it's going back in the crock pot, and I will be right back. Thanks for watching. Guys, so we're back. I already shredded the chicken. I left that on hot. Okay, so now we're gonna put the chicken that I shredded by hand inside the sauce, just like beef flank steak, but this is chicken. Don't laugh, Jennifer. This is chicken flank pollo. Yeah. Your Dominican chicken flank pollo. Look at that. Look at that. Jennifer, you wanna come and take a look? And you say you don't want any of this? This looks yums. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let everybody go. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna be serving Michael a plate. Michael, you can bring the camera over here. And while I'm serving Michael, he's gonna tell you all the platforms that are in. Besides, before he starts, you can go to
Instagram.
No.
Oh, Patreon.
Patreon.com. Tell me how much rice you want, okay?
Let's get him out.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna serve Mike. You want some beans?
No.
You don't want any beans?
No.
Okay, so this is for Michael, y'all. Here you go, Michael. And this is your chicken flank pollo. So thanks for watching. Michael, give everybody their platform. And before I go, I'm just gonna let everybody know, please don't drink and drive. And love you all, and thanks for watching. Platforms.
Instagram, Threads, TikTok, True Social, Blue Sky, Patreon, Pinterest, and YouTube.
Okay, there you go, guys. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. Press that notification button. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen.